Hello and welcome back to Breeze GIS. Today we have a quick video looking at how to use the Go to XY Navigate tool within ArcGIS. So today I just have the base map pulled up and we have Texas here, and I have some coordinates that I've put down here inside of the Python console. And what we're going to be doing is just using the Go to XY tool to place these coordinates on a map and then place pins for those points that we have. So the first thing that we want to do is activate the Go to XY navigation tool. So under Map, you go to XY and you click on it, and it should make this bar appear right here. And you can move this bar wherever you would like. And you're going to place the longitude and latitude in there, and then you have multiple unit options for your coordinates. Today we're going to be looking at decimal degrees and degrees minutes seconds, or DMS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at decimal degrees, and we're going to be using the coordinates that I've placed in the Python console for this. So to start, we're going to start with one of these over here that I have. I like to use the Python console for notes, just to copy and paste some things. And then we have the north, and so this is decimal degrees, and then you're going to enter those, and then you're going to press enter under decimal degrees, and it should make a point pop up. I made a point for Austin. And so how this works is you have a few tools over here. The first one is a strobe tool that allows you to locate exactly where the coordinates you've entered are. You have a pan to the coordinate point, pan to the coordinate location tool. So this hand right here allows you to click it, and it, wherever your coordinates are that you've entered, the pan tool takes you there. And then the third one allows you to place pins. So the first one is just a standard pin. The next one, you can place a pin and the coordinates. And then the third one is you can put the coordinates in a little bubble. And how this works are these are all map elements, and then you can delete them using the some of the tools up here for select. So you can select, and if I want to delete all these, or if I only want to delete some of them, I can. So I'm just going to put a pin there, and then I'm going to move on to the next one that I have down here. And we are still looking at the decimal degrees. So I'm just copying and pasting what I have here. All right, and then I'm going to press enter. And I have a point right here on San Antonio. I'm going to use the pin tool to drop a pin right there. And now I have two pins right here for these two locations for the coordinates I have. Now, let's say I want to delete these. I can go up here to the select tool, and you can select it, different shapes. And then I can select these two map elements, and then I can delete those. The next thing we're going to look at is how to use degrees, minutes, and seconds. So this is the next tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab these down here. Enter, and so this is the decimal. This is the degrees, minutes, seconds for Austin, and I can use the strobe to figure that out, and then I can drop a pin right there. So when we're looking at degrees, minutes, seconds, we have the degrees symbol. We have the single line right there is the minutes, and then the two lines are the seconds. And that's how we enter degrees, minutes, and seconds. And there are conversion tools that you can use to convert between the different coordinate units. And then you can do whatever you would like with that, whatever kind of labeling you want. And just remember that you can use the edit tools up here to edit any kind of map elements, because any pin you place is considered a map element. So I hope you learned about how to use the Go to XY navigation tool. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Thank you very much, and bye.